भारत की खेल नगरी नागपुर अब एक और ऐतिहासिक आयोजन का साक्षी बनने जा रही है। पहली बार यहां हैंडबॉल प्रो लीग एचपीएल का भव्य आयोजन किया जाएगा। भारत में हैंडबॉल को बढ़ावा देने, नई प्रतिभाओं को मंच प्रदान करने और पेशेवर अवसरों को बढ़ाने के उद्देश्य से ये लीग आयोजित की जा रही है। नागपुर जिला हैंडबॉल संघ, एनकाश इवेंट्स और खेल सेना मंडल के संयुक्त तत्वाधान में यह लीग 7 से 15 फरवरी 2026 तक मानकापुर स्थित विभागीय क्रीड़ा संकुल के इंडोर हॉल में खेली जाएगी। लीग में कुल 12 टीमें हिस्सा लेंगी, जिनमें 6 पुरुष और 6 महिला टीमें शामिल होंगी। हर टीम में विदर्भ के कम से कम 4 खिलाड़ी, महाराष्ट्र के अधिकतम 4 खिलाड़ी, शेष भारत के 4 खिलाड़ी और 2 विदेशी खिलाड़ी होंगे। साथ ही 2 अंडर 21 खिलाड़ियों का समावेश अनिवार्य रहेगा। 52 लाख रुपए की पुरस्कार राशि वाली इस लीग की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बॉलीवुड स्टार ईशा देओल होंगी। ईशा ने कहा कि हैंडबॉल हमेशा से मेरे दिल के करीब रहा है। ये खिलाड़ियों को उनकी असली पहचान दिलाने का बेहतरीन मंच है और मैं इस ऐतिहासिक पल का हिस्सा बनकर गर्व महसूस कर रही हूं। लीग के सफल आयोजन के लिए भारतीय हैंडबॉल संघ के कार्यकारी अधिकारी और SAHF के महासचिव डॉक्टर आनंदेश्वर पांडे और HAI के महासचिव तेजराज सिंह का विशेष सहयोग रहेगा। रूप कुमार नायडू HPL के CEO होंगे, जबकि आयोजन में एडवोकेट माणिकराव कोकाटे, पंकज भोयर, डॉक्टर बबन राव तायवाड़े और कुंदा विजयकर का मार्गदर्शन प्राप्त होगा। तकनीकी और संचालन टीम में राजकुमार नायडू, मिलिंद माकड़े, प्राचार्य आत्मराम पांडे, अतुल दुरककर, डॉक्टर सुनील भोतमांगे, ललिता रंधावा, इंद्रजीत सिंह रंधावा और कुंदन नायडू की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहेगी। नागपुर का यह आयोजन हैंडबॉल के भविष्य को नई दिशा देने वाला साबित हो सकता है।
We have MD of HPL Handball Pro League. So, what's your name?
I am Rajesh Naidu.
Okay. So, Handball Pro League is the first tournament happening. So, what is your vision behind this tournament?
Look, nowadays IPL is shining everywhere. People are watching, flowing crores of rupees in the sports through cricket. So, many other sports also followed them, like kabaddi, hockey, kho-kho. So then we thought, why not handball? Because once Nagpur was considered as capital of handball in India, or they may also say Makkah of handball in India, because we have maximum Shiv Chhatrapati Award players and international players at Nagpur. So being the center point of the India and being the capital of India in handball, we thought to launch it now on professional level. So now we are launching Handball Pro League, which is going to be first professional league of Nagpur, and players from Vidarbha. We are going to give the priority to Vidarbha players. Players from Vidarbha, Maharashtra, rest of India, and international players also going to participate.
Okay. So, what is the selection process of getting into a team, and how one player can join this Handball Pro League as an athlete?
Okay. First of all, we will be allotting teams. We will be having auction for teams. There is going to be 6 boys team and 6 girls team, for which auction is going to be held in next month. After that, we will be opening our portal, and on the portal, players can register from anywhere from the globe, and then they will be called for selection trials. Then they will be put into auction. So, like you have seen in IPL, the same way auction is going to be there. And players are going to, the biggest thing is this, for the very first time in the handball in India, players are going to get money for auction, for playing handball, and from the prize money also.
So, is there going to have some trials, or you have to register by paying some money?
There is a very nominal 500 rupees, because we want to just sanitize the list, otherwise everyone will come. That's why we have kept very nominal fees. And then definitely for state player or new national players, we'll be keeping trials. But for international players, there will be no trials, and they can be directly come into auctions. And in auction, whosoever will get selected will be playing the Pro League.
Okay. Final question: what is going to be the prize pool of this tournament?
Oh wow, fantastic question! I would be glad to inform you that. Means you may not have heard this prize money in many other sports also. Total 52 lakh rupees of cash prize is going to be there, apart from individual prizes. 11 lakh each for winners of the tournament, 7 lakh each for the boys and girls runner of the tournament, then 5 lakh for the third place and 3 lakh for the fourth place. So out of 6 teams, 4 are going to get the heavy cash prizes.
Okay. One last visionary glimpse of this tournament for the players and the audience.
You are going to get a thriller in Nagpur, and this is going to be telecast on national network, so it is going to be viral in the whole India and the world. So but don't miss the live action, because handball is the world's second fastest game, and indoor it is the fastest game. So you may not have imagined how fast this game is. So if you can watch this live, don't miss it. The whole tournament is going to be free of cost, but we'll be keeping opening and closing ceremony with a musical concert. There will be a little ticket for
audience,
and there will be ticket also, so you can enjoy that also. But tournament is full free of cost, so you can. Mankapur Stadium is the venue. 7th Feb to 15th Feb is the dates.
माना पालाचा ना त्या गोत्याचा पसारा लई बाई वाढला रुसवा नको ग बाई कुणाचा मोठ्यानी उतारा काढला लगीन घाई सुचून देई खरेदीने पणा काढला खरेदीला वरसी धीने उत्साह नवा आणला बांधला बसका बांधला बांधला बसका बांधला बांधला बसका बांधला बांधला बसका
कमी किमतीत आणि क्वालिटी सोबत बरं का.
सिटी आहे तर शक्य